Hello everyone, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. This is Lady Nick, your social media red guide for TOCtown.com, and today I wanted to give you a detailed walkthrough of my DayTimer A5, which I'm going to be turning into a archival system for my planners that I use on a local level. So over the years, I think it's been since 2013, I've been using paper planners. And pretty much now I'm at a place where I'm still using some of them, like the plum paper notebook, the Get to Work book. Also, I have an A6, and pretty much for a lot of the things that I do across social media, I needed a place where I can just, test different things, do layouts, and pretty much give tips, tools, and planner techniques for those of you that are setting up new planners in 2018. So just flipping through, a lot of these things I've had since the beginning of my original DayTimer days. I'm just filling in and using up my supply. I went through a shop the stash season, so I'm so glad. I think I'm nearing the end of a lot of the stuff that I really have, and next year or even next season, I'm looking forward to supporting another small business owner or an Etsy shop, with purchasing new inserts for my planner. Because I'm pretty much, as long as the planner is useful and functional, I'm going to use it. So I love pretty planning, but pretty much what I do here and around and about TOCtown.com is a lot of administrative services, as well as providing a lot of insight in what I do as an artist. So as you can see, you saw different layouts that the DayTimer provided me, which are unmarked, undated. That's my 2018 calendar. So if you have any questions, feel free to just, link them up down below. I'm on Facebook as well as Twitter. And I usually post a lot of my day to day, moment by moment things in Instagram. So if you have any questions for me, always, let me know specifically. I'll be glad to even do a video blog for you if you need a visual illustration of how I would answer your question. So as you can see, I picked up one more pack of 2-page per month inserts from Staples. I had a coupon for, I think it was like $30. So I did like this 2018 calendar as well as some other things which I'm going to highlight next week for my chief artisans as well as my paper planners. And that's the phone book, which I think I'm going to use like a planner filing system. Those are for business cards, and of course the all famous expense reports for small business owners. Now in the back, I think I'll tuck in my Peanuts Planner Code inserts, which I'll definitely share with you some of the design layout that I'm going to be working through. But I wanted to keep a pin in here, and the pin loop is leathery type. It's not real leather, but it's not stretching, so I wanted to pick a pin, which I found this one, which is more like a felt tip that came with my Costco purchase. So I think I even ended up switching even after this video is over to a Pilot G2. So that's my video blog for 2018 setup. If you have any questions, once again, be sure to sign in the guest guide at TOCtown.com. Until the next time, take care.